In this guide, we will walk you through 3 methods to stream your iPhone to a Windows computer step by step. Part 1. Stream iPhone to PC via Screen Mirror software. iPhone Screen Mirror is an easy and reliable tool to stream your iPhone to a Windows PC, offering better compatibility and smoother performance than AirPlay. It lets you mirror your iPhone screen directly to your PC, with additional features like recording and screenshots. This method is ideal for watching videos, gaming, or presentations, and is beginner-friendly. Step 1. Launch the Screen Mirror software on your computer and choose iOS mode. Step 2. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer using a USB cable or Wi-Fi. For the first connection, it is recommended to use a USB cable for a more stable setup. If prompted, tap Trust this computer on your device. Step 3. Choose your iPhone or iPad from the list of available devices. If this is your first time connecting, just follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. Step 4. After the connection is successful, your device screen will be displayed on the computer in real time. You can then record the screen, take screenshots, play games, make presentations, or share your screen during meetings and online classes. Part 2. Screen Mirror iPhone to PC using AirPlay receiver on Windows. You can wirelessly stream your iPhone to a Windows PC using an AirPlay receiver. This lets you mirror your iPhone's screen without a USB cable, relying on your Wi-Fi connection for smooth performance. Step 1. Install an AirPlay receiver on your Windows computer and launch it. Step 2. Connect your iPhone and PC to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center on your iPhone. Step 4. Tap Screen Mirroring and select your PC from the device list. Once connected, your iPhone screen will be displayed on the computer. Part 3. Stream iPhone to PC using browser tools. Browser-based tools offer a quick and temporary screen mirroring solution without the need to install software, making it ideal for one-time use or shared computers. However, it may experience delays and offer fewer features than dedicated mirroring software. Step 1. Open a supported browser on your Windows PC and go to the online mirroring tool website. Step 2. Connect your iPhone and PC to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center on your iPhone. Step 4. Tap Screen Mirroring and select the device name shown by the browser tool. Your iPhone screen will now appear on the PC through the browser.